Hi everyone, you've caught us in the middle of making over our kitchen. It's a bit of a no cook zone at the moment, but luckily we've got a bake that we recorded a couple of weeks ago, so hope you enjoy. Evening everyone, we're having a late night bake. It's 11 o'clock on Thursday the 30th of April. This will be our last April bake, obviously. It's something that we've kind of done before at Scones. This is a cherry scone. I will be staying very hands off because the scone master here will be working her magic. So let's see what we need to make that. Okay, only 8 ingredients into this bake. We have got unsalted butter, which has been cubed. We've got glacé cherries, self-raising flour, bicarbonate of soda, caster sugar, vanilla essence, milk, salt, and we're using yogurt. You can use yogurt or buttermilk. If you are using yogurt, it needs to be natural yogurt, not the Greek style, just the standard natural yogurt. Okay, first stage, get yourself a big bowl and pop the flour and the salt and the bicarb in there, your dry ingredients, and then get the cube butter, pop that all in at once, and then you want to just be combining all that together using the tips of your fingers of your nice cold hands, and you're looking to get a sort of breadcrumb texture from that. So that's the flour and butter at breadcrumb stage. So now the sugar goes in and that just gets mixed through as well, all by hand. So next stage is add all your remaining ingredients. That's cherries in, that's vanilla extract, in with the milk, and then finally the yogurt. As I say, we're using yogurt, but buttermilk is also an option. Start mixing that all together by hand, and you're looking for it to come together into a dough. So once that's all come together, just tip it out onto a floured surface, and then you can push it out by hand or you can use a rolling pin, whatever suits you. You're looking to get to about 3 centimetres in height. So then you want to cut the dough into the size of your scones. We're using a glass. If you've got a pastry cutter, whatever suits you. This mixture will make about 6. Once you've cut as many as you can from your first roll, just combine the leftovers and recut. So that's them all in the baking tray. We have floured the baking tray. You can use grease-free paper if you want. We're going to use flour today. And they are being brushed with milk to give a nice golden finish on the top. You can use an egg again if you want. We're going with milk. And the mixture we made has made 6 of the big, massive, huge scones, and that little baby one in the middle is the leftovers that is too good not to cook. Okay, that's them all ready for the oven. It's going into a fan oven at about 180, and it'll take a brown for 15 minutes. And that's them all baked. They've had a little bit longer than 15 minutes, they take about best part 20 to get to that colour. And then I'm just going to go on to a baking tray to cool. And you can put a clean tea towel at the top of them while they're doing that. That just helps keep them crispy and fresh. So we're now waiting to enjoy our cherry scones, covered in extra thick double cream. Because of lockdown, we struggled to get clotted cream, which is obviously the preference, and lots of strawberry jam on top, with a cup of coffee for Teresa, a cup of tea for me, and we finished that before May. It's 5 minutes to midnight on Friday the 30th of April 2020.
Thursday.
Good night.
Night.
Yeah! First stage, get yourself a big bowl. This should be done by hand. Let's start again.